Neville and I will be figuring out who said these famous lines.
Famous lines.
Emphasis on famous, got famous to all. That's a. But.
This is what? A song. They are songs.
Are they all songs?
They're all songs.
They're all songs. Okay.
Dance hall and reggae.
We're dead. Sometimes I know this song.
I know the first one already.
You know,
run the first. Can we know the first
it's in the paper? Okay.
Yeah, we know the first one.
Okay.
Every day you've been going wrong. We know who that. You know?
No clue.
Beanie Man.
Really?
Yeah.
Which one I'm sang that?
We don't really know that one.
Oh, it go. Oh, it sang.
Second one.
Then
run the
song to play it for ear.
The second one I think I know too.
Every day I've been going around and telling stories. Boy, you know me? And about this year, mother grow me.
Romy.
Yeah.
Romy.
Yeah.
Romy.
This one I think I know. The third one you went over sure because I know it's easy.
I can't sing it.
Yeah, man. The third, we know you know the third one.
Leaders, listen to these words I'm uttering. Firmly, I ain't stuttering.
I know what that is.
Look around, can't you see my people suffering? The future is weak and it's guttering.
You know who that is?
Oma Wally.
No, sir.
I know Oma Wally.
No, you know who?
I say it look familiar, but my...
Yeah, I know who. Bounty Killer.
Bounty Killer.
Hey.
Killer.
I know everybody know this one. Yeah. No one ever can understand it. The way the system planned.
There's no hope, no chance, no loophole, no escape for a sufferer man. Cause every time I'm my head above water, trying to save myself from drowning.
Very smooth, man.
There's an overnight scheme all worked out, designed to keep me down.
This one you know, me don't know.
Up a Cane River to wash my dread, Amos Junior Gang. Upon a rock I rest my head, there I vision through the seas of oppression, don't make my life a prison. Cane River.
That is Chronic?
Protege?
Protege. Is Protege?
Cane River?
Bob Marley? Go back to it. Trenchtown Rock.
Up a Cane River to wash my head?
Oh, me never know that. Play it for me here now. Can play it?
Up a Cane River to wash my head?
Oh. All right. Well, I'm not hearing this. What's the song name? Let's tell me what the song name. Oh. I never know that. I didn't know that it said.
Up a Cane River
To wash my dread.
True.
Yeah, it's true. It's true.
upon a rock.
I rest my head. Yeah.
True.
True.
There I vision through the
Seas of oppression.
The next one now. The next one I think is Protege. When me see Jah, me see a way drastically stray from hypocrisy, I say.
Every man to them own
Yeah.
philosophy.
Next one is Protege,
and
no?
the proper way.
Yeah, this one is
Memory
Protege.
chapter a day.
So I say Chronics a while ago. I say, no, sir. This is Protege? Yeah, man. Who knows? Yeah, man. Who knows? Yeah, it's Protege and Chronics, man.
But I know him sing the line in the song.
The line is Protege.
Yeah.
I did bad. But I kind of feel. I don't know when I get the Marley one. Sure. Married a man and his name is Ricky. From last month, him I go and like him crazy.
Come on, morning time after 7:30 when sun shine and the neighbor them must sing. Get me so vexed and it get me so angry.
Why I feel I know this one too?
Soft man wife.
Yeah, it's a female. What a long time song this? This is a long time song.
Lady G.
One of them people. You're right, you know. You're right.
Sometime a man forget. Sometime a man forget.
Tell it on now.
Yeah, me know it's one of them. Yeah, man. It's a long time song. This.
Maria man and him name is Ricky.
I only the coof part me know Shelly. I don't know the rest of the song. When the song upload, just I say, hey,
Oh, we never do so bad. So which one we never
Man
get?
forget, Koof, under the part.
Which one we never get?
Koof.
Can you imagine the one we never get is the Mali?
Koof.
The Vix.
Koof. It we know.
No, but I'm supposed to know the Mali.
Koof. Koof.
I don't know the part that you know. Koof. All right, folks, that's it for fun stuff. Coming up, we step into the Smile Kitchen with the veggie patch. Soon come, veggie.
Forget.
Soon come.
Tell me that no, my friend, name me